Hello Achievers, welcome to Team MDS Achievers. Myself Dr. Vikram. Today I am here for the announcement of the starting of the MDS Achievers Academy, which is going to focus on the NEET MDS exam. And I am here for the brief orientation and overview. So how you should design yourself and how you should orient accordingly so that you can get an MDS seat. Firstly, you should know and set up your own dream and goal. That is like which department that you are willing for. Either you want, most of the times we will be willing for the clinical department only, and the clinical department, which department you are willing for. That is like prosto, cons, ortho, surgery, which department you are willing, you should be knowing first priorly. Then you should note which college has a good OP, because see, not all the colleges will be having a very good OP. Only few of the colleges have a good OP. In that condition, you should know which college has a good OP and how much marks should I get or how much rank should I get so that I will be getting a seat in that particular college. That is called dream college. Then the stipend. Stipend is only seen in the GDCs, which is around 55,000 as of now, and which will be increasing over a period of time. So these are the firstly you should know your own dream and what you want is firstly you should know. Then you should be thinking first what are the qualities that are required to achieve the goal that you want, right? Firstly, you should have a self-discipline. Self-discipline is very much important because see, without discipline you cannot achieve anything until and unless you are some master or some genius. So you should have a particularly set up your own firstly discipline, like timetable should be set up by yourself and you should follow the timetable appropriately. That is like if at all you want to study today, you want to study for 4 to 5 hours in the evening, then you have to sit and study no matter what. Even though if you have a party or if you have any kind of events also, you should not I don't say like I know I'm not going to force you, but like I am going to suggest you that you should be honesty to the your dream, right? Then punctuality you should be towards your dream and your goal. Persistence, see, motivation will fade away, but persistence is the key to the success because it is the one which will push you even though you are in a odd days. And the focus, see, focus is very much very important because if you focus a light that is like sunlight to a one particular point with the help of your concave mirror or your binocular mirror, right? So thereby you can burn a paper. Similarly, if you focus entirely on only one target, not too many targets, only one target, then only you will get the seat. It's not that I will be doing multitasking and I will get that and I will get this, so totally I will be benefit. It's not going to work like that. You should be having only one and only one target, thereby you can focus easily and get the seat. Secondly, the distractions. See, the biggest distractions in this present generation is like in the present current time is that social media, that is Instagram, right? So I don't say that you should be limiting your like you should not be using those, but you should limit yourself in the utilization of the Instagrams and these all social websites. Procrastination is second another thing, that is because like today if you want to study one particular topic, but what happens due to some situations you will be saying okay I will study tomorrow. It is not going to, and tomorrow you will get an feeling like you will feel like I should not have done like that. No, it should not be done. Like procrastination should not be done at all. If you want, if you have planned to do one particular topic or the subject to be done over this period of time, then it has to be done. That's it. And multitasking is a very disastrous. See, if at all, if you focus on multiple targets, you are going to end up nowhere. It is similar to the person who's standing in the two boats, end up nowhere, right? Similar, it happens. And the procrastination cycle, you all know, that is like firstly you procrastinate. I will do later. Then you will feel guilty, panic, and make excuses, and once again procrastinate, and thereby becoming lazy, and thereby not getting our dream. And so social media, right? That is a most common culprit in our currently period of time, right? But still we have to limit ourselves so that we can get in a seat, right? And the most important thing that we have to discuss is that out of 100% of the NEET syllabus, that is like, suppose it see, we have any 240 questions in the NEET MDS, right? So thereby in that around 75 percentage, that is 180 to 200 percentage, 200 questions, I'm sorry, that is like about 180 to 200 questions out of 240 are going to become from only 16% of syllabus. This is the main key that our academy is concerned with. It is not that I am going to make you sit and study from the first page of BDS, that is BD Chaurasya, to the last page of Open Peter. I'm going to only and make the important points and discuss with you, so that you will discuss only those important points. Because if you at all is if you start studying from the first page of the BD Chaurasya to the last page of Soben Peter, definitely it will take another 4 years, and by the end of fourth year you will be forgetting all what you studied in the first year, because the textbook reading is going to be very lengthy. But we can concise by studying the important points, because our main goal is to get the seat, right? See, the main goal of our is to get the seat so that we can get in a uh, nice earning in the clinical practices, right? And that is what our main target is. So if you want to get that, then you have to focus on the points that are required to go to your success, not that unnecessary I will start reading that this that. It will be creating a panic situation and time wasting, and you will end up nowhere. So that is why I say that out of 240 questions, 180 to 200 questions will be from the 16% of syllabus, and we are focusing on that 16% of syllabus. Even if you say that like least or least, suppose like 180 questions, 180 into 4 is equals to 720, right? 720, uh, 400, yeah, we are weak in the mathematics, right? We are it is like a 760, sorry, 760. You know what is the top marks in the NEET MDS this last year? That is around 710, I guess. 710, I guess. That is the top marks. So the thing that we are concerned with is this only the 16% of syllabus, so that if at all you go and correct by correctly answer around 200 questions, and even if 40 questions are going for the negative marking, so thereby you can compensate that and resulting in a very good decent marks, and thereby you get a decent rank and in your dream college. Secondly, you should know that revisions, yes, minimum 3 revisions are required to get a seat, because like in a very good, I say, see, get a seat means like in a convener quota I am speaking about, not a management quota I am speaking. See, if you want to get in a convener quota, at least 3 revisions should be done. That is like first revision should be end by the Jan 31st. See, exam that is NEET MDS exam is definitely is going to get postponed in the March, because like till now they have not opened the application window, right? So thereby an application window should be open prior to the exam 40 days before. So it is not open, so it is going to get postponed. So you should complete your first revision by Jan 31st, and second revision by February 21st, and third revision by March first or second week. First or second week you should complete your third revision. Thereafter you will be getting in a sufficient confidence, and you will be, the revision is very key, because like see, if you follow all our schedule properly, you can complete all these things. And that is like 3 times revision is compulsorily required, because it is not that like you will be remembering most of the concepts. You will definitely forget the concepts until and unless you revise it. The revision is very much important. Followed by how to study is the one of the biggest key, right? The doubt, that is like, firstly you should go and watch the videos in our website, then followed by you should go through the dental pulse and solve some questions, and thereafter the smart notes, and during the watching of these videos you should make your running notes, and that is very much important, because like suppose like it is like 2 weeks before the exam, you're not going to sit and watch the video, right, until unless you have a doubt or you don't understand a concept, then you will be watching the video again. It's not that 1 week before I will be watching the video and I will understand the concept. You should be having and make the your running notes. That is like very much important, because like that is the notes that you have prepared, so you can understand better, and it is written by you in a way that you can understand, so you can retain the subject very easily and also revise it properly. And also you should actively participate in the that is like WhatsApp group discussions, and then 1 second revisions in the running notes. Thank you for watching. And also there is like a C, the NEET MDS exam, it's going to be mostly in the clinical oriented manner. It's not that simply they will give chumma different type of questions, like they will be giving most of the questions in the clinical orientation manner, and which are required in the clinical department, because the NEET MDS exam is a exam that is setting the standards to the world, right? See, our dentists are at one particular level in this global standard is what the NBD board program is concerned with. So the one who qualifies this exam is in a having sufficient knowledge of the dentistry is what they consider. So to consider that, you should have a proper practical knowledge is what they are going to be asked, and the way the questions that will be asked also in the most of the times in the from the clinical orientation manner only. Out of 240 questions, around some like 160 to 200 questions are from the clinical orientation manner only. Other things will be like just like your memorization power. Okay, the only three keys to success is learn, revise and repeat, and the two keys are the smart work and hard work. Hard work should be done by you, and the smart work will be designing by us, so that your hard work in the right direction results into the success. Join us with just a call or WhatsApp message on this in this number. This is Dr. Vikram signing off.